1. Monetization not equal instant money. Let's kill the dream real quick. Monetization doesn't mean money rains tomorrow. You can be monetized and still make pennies. Why? Because monetization is a status, not a salary. It's access, not income. And most people quit here because they expected a jackpot, not a journey. 2. The YouTube Partner Program. This is the gate. To unlock ads on your videos, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. And even when you unlock it, you're still getting paid based on what advertisers value, not what you think your video is worth. 3. Subscribers' income. Someone can have 500,000 subscribers and still be broke because subscribers don't pay you, advertisers do. And if your subs don't watch, engage, or convert, you might as well have none. Subs are social proof, not a paycheck. 4 CPM is a wild card. Cost per meal, or CPM, is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. It depends on your niche, audience location, and season. Tech might get $20 CPM. Comedy? $3. And no, you don't control it. So don't compare your numbers, compare your consistency. 5. Views not equal to revenue. 1 million views can earn $5. Or $5,000. Because what matters isn't how many watched, it's who watched, where they watched from, and what they watched. Longer videos with mid-roll ads, more money. Short viral videos, sometimes just exposure. 6. Monetize before monetized. Affiliate links, ebooks, coaching, merch. You don't have to wait for YouTube to pay you. Start monetizing value the moment you start sharing value. Most creators make their first dollar outside the partner program. 7. Longform versus shorts. Shorts get you reach. Longform builds revenue. Shorts can go viral fast, but they don't earn much. Longform content gives you retention, depth, and mid-roll ads. Best strategy, use shorts to grow, use longform to earn. 8. Audience greater than algorithm. Chasing the algorithm will burn you out. Serving your audience will build you up. Algorithms change, people stay. If your content genuinely helps, entertains, or teaches, people will stick around, and that's the best monetization of all. 9. Income equals multiple streams. AdSense is one stream. Brand deals, memberships, digital products, live streams, affiliate links, these are where the real money lives. Think like a creator, earn like an entrepreneur, diversify or drown. 10th, monetization is a business. At some point, you stop being just a creator. You become a business. That means systems, offers, strategy, focus. Making money on YouTube isn't about luck. It's about building a machine that prints value and knowing how to turn that value into income.